Drew's so excited because there's a hat club over here. It's a hat club. Drew loves hats. Have you gone in there? Custom hats by appointment only. You get a custom hat. Wow. Uh-huh.
We are in Southern Pines, North Carolina. Downtown.
We're in downtown Southern Pines. Go ahead. I'm following you, sir. There's lots of fancy smancy restaurants.
Yeah, it's like $42 halibut.
Yep. So if you want really nice stuff, this is a good place to go. It looks delicious. Right now we're on West New Hampshire Avenue. There's lots of cool music shops. Up here is the Downtown Historic District directory. Right here. What are we looking for?
It's not on here.
Okay. Chef Warren's is where you can get your $40 halibut. We were just there. Another place that looked really good was
We're going to
Chef Scott's.
the Leadmine.
We're going to the Leadmine. It was referred to us. So, this is the ice cream parlor. It's closed. A lot of things are closed today. For some reason.
It's that small town America thing, man. Everything closes at 5 on Saturday. Like, because people don't want to go shopping after they have dinner.
Morgan and Miller. Yeah, I would say that this is kind of bougie. Definitely bougie. This is a really nice, it's hard to see, but really nice window scape. But yeah, it's definitely bougie, a little pricey. Lots of thrift stores, reclaimed stuff, lots of pubs, beer, drinking spots. This is the Country Bookstore. Oh, Sweet Basil Cafe. Where's Waldo? He's right here. So Betsy's Crepes is closed. One thing I've noticed is everybody is hiring. Everybody has a hiring sign in their door. So if you need a job, this is a good place to come. This is the Embers soup.
Oh yeah, Leadmine is, take a left here, right where those guys are at. Take a left, and then it'll be like a block up.
Sandwiches. Those are sandwiches.
Awesome place. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Another thing I've noticed is that, like, everything's closed, which is weird because
6 o'clock on Saturday.
it's Saturday. It's 6 o'clock. Like,
I think it was there for like 7 or 8.
for real. Hotel Belvedere. Uh-oh, you got something. What'd you get? Woohoo, ground score. Up the Leadmine right here. This is where we're going to eat. We'll let you know. We've heard very highly recommended. We'll let you know how good it was. This is very beautiful, though. Very beautiful. Those are Black Eyed Susans. The Belvedere Plaza. I wish I could get my kale to grow like this. Look at this kale. Beautiful. Some rosemary down there. Nice little fountain. So we ate at the Leadmine.
Behind us.
And what did you think? It was pretty reasonably priced. The drinks are like $15, but they smoke them and do all kinds of crazy stuff to them, so it's
I've never been down with
worth it. Food was really good. Yeah, it's raining. Jumped out there real quick. What did we eat?
We got the Brussels sprouts, some pork belly buns, and some kimchi fries.
That's right. It was delicious. It was about $40.
And a dessert.
And a dessert, all for $40.
4 plates or whatever. $40.
And while we were in there, it started raining. So that's probably the end of this video. Overall, thoughts about Southern Pines?
Oh, I mean, we didn't really spend much time here. I don't know that I'd come back. I've seen it, done it, been there, done that.
It's quite bougie.
It's definitely.
Uh-huh. But it's nice. It's got kind of a beach vibe. Touristy. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know where your favorite Southern Pines place is. Don't come too late, though.
Here's the
Hotel Belvedere. Don't come too late, though, because everything will be closed.
That's right.
You could come to Weymouth in Motion, a modern dance experience. Looks like that's happening on August 20th if you're in the area. Or Gutenberg, the musical. Oh, that's running right now. Also available August 5 to 14th.